This mod completely changes how your truck feels every time you start it. And it installs in under 60 seconds. Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys, where we take a clean truck and make it even better. Today, we're doing one of the easiest mods you could possibly do. But honestly, it makes a bigger difference than you'd expect. We're upgrading this plain ignition button to this clean blue start stop button. Every single time you get in your truck, this is one of the first things you touch. So why not make it look better? Especially if you're already running blue accents like I am. This ties everything together. This isn't about performance, this is all about experience. Install is stupid simple. No tools, no wiring, and nothing complicated. First thing, wipe down the ignition button. You don't want any dust or oils messing with the adhesive. Next, we're going to peel our backing and align carefully. Press and hold down for 10 to 15 seconds. This is the only part you want to take your time with. Line it up evenly before you stick it. Once it's lined up, press down firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. And just like that, completely different look. Way cleaner, way more custom. This is one of those mods that's not expensive. But every time you hop in your truck, you notice it. And honestly, those are some of the best mods that you can do. Let me know in the comments below, would you run blue, red, or just keep the button stock? And the Amazon link is down below. And if you have similar ideas, let me know in the comments below. If you're into simple, clean mods like this, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot more coming for the ultimate ZR2 build. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.